Halloween has come. We should celebrate this event in the deep voice of mine. This haunted vision is to scare ourselves. We should trick or treating by the streets, knocking at midnight. Everyone is scared out of their minds because it's in midnight. Let's watch the night of terror to scare ourselves in. Let's sing scary songs on places that can echo, not very frightening, on haunted places, and play the piano on a invisible blanket. We should have candy for trick or treating on places we've been through. We should make horror videos to scare out of their minds in this random thing, on this frightening place. On a frightening has come.